Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain how a bad air filter, old air filter, can cause thousands of dollars of damages, and you may end up having engine light and codes relating to certain components. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500 Abarth, and if you need to remove or replace air filter, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that step by step. We'll explain where you can buy air filter from and how your air filter can affect your engine to the point that you may end up spending thousands of dollars, guys. So make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car, guys, we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. I will go ahead, open the hood. That will be the first step. So you just simply open your hood now. Okay, let's see. It gets sometimes ours a little bit stuck. We need to do adjustments to the hood latch. If you have problems where the hood latch does not open sometimes, we'll have a video that will explain how to actually adjust all this. So let's go ahead and explain what we have here. This is, guys, the 1.4 Abarth turbo engine. Here with 8mm socket, guys, we have 3 screws that we need to go ahead and remove, 8mm. So once you guys remove those, okay, it's pretty simple. Okay, let's check it. Perfect. You will see right here we'll need to disconnect, okay, with one clip removal tool. You can gently need to pull that vacuum hose out. Okay, perfect, just like that. This is for the oil separator valve, and right here, okay, we're going to go ahead and remove the 3 screws. Perfect. I think you just get them loose, you don't pull them all the way out. Working on the second one now. Checking all the hoses here because we had things taken apart to make sure that we tighten everything, because vacuum leaks are really hard to fix sometimes. Pull up a little bit in an angle, pulls out. Now right here, that's your air filter, guys. You just grab it, and that thing is a little bit bad. Okay, that's terrible, guys. Really dirty air filter. If you need to buy one, we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Another thing now, guys, about that air filter, okay, that's so bad, okay, that the car is practically struggling for air. But when it's so bad like that, you may end up, guys, having actually codes for a rich fuel mixture, such as code P0172, because the car will not be getting enough air, and as a result, when it's not getting enough air, what can happen? You will run, you'll be having the same amount of fuel, less air. The oxygen sensor will detect that, and it will tell the engine computer we have rich fuel mixture. Another thing, you may even get P0300 codes for misfire in some cases. If you want to buy one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.